What is the Muslim's strongest weapon to keep him firm at the time of fitnah, the time of trials and tribulations? Check out this hadith in Sunan Abi Dawood, Hudayfa ibn Yaman radiallahu an, when he was asking about what will come after the khair. He said, all this khair that has come to us. He asked the Prophet ﷺ, will there be shar, will there be evil that will come after all of this good, all this khair? He said ﷺ, fitnatun wa shar, that fitnah, trials and tribulations and shar, evil will come. Hudayfa radiallahu an, he said, after that shar, will there be khair, will there be good that will come? Pay attention to the advice of the Prophet ﷺ. And look at the days that we're living in. Look at the fitna that we see all around us. In another hadith, the Prophet ﷺ, he told us that there's no time except for the one that comes after it will be worse than that. Things keep getting worse and worse. The trials, the tribulations, they're getting more difficult. So what is the solution? How can we stay firm? Listen to the advice of the Prophet ﷺ to Hudayfa radiallahu an. He said, Ya Hudayfa, ta'allam kitab Allah. O Hudayfa, learn the book of Allah, learn the Qur'an. Wattabi' and follow that which you find in it. Learn the Qur'an and follow the teachings of the Qur'an. And he repeated this to him 3 times to show the importance of learning the Qur'an and acting upon the teachings of the Qur'an at the times of fitna. And this, inshallah ta'ala, is going to be what's going to keep us firm. Our strongest weapon, the book of Allah. And the other hadith, the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said, "Taraktu fikum ma an tamassaktu bihi," that I left behind for you that which if you hold firm to it, lan tudillu ba'di, that you'll never go astray after me. Kitab Allah, the book of Allah.